Yes, start the stream. I'm afraid what I'm gonna say what I don't want and then I get it, but what I don't want is apples, but that's okay because cherries are mini apples and red. So let's see what I get. I'm not gonna restart. I'm not sure about that. My name and birthday. What, so people can steal my information online? Name. Liay. Here we go. That sounds professional. You're ready when you are. Please choose your style. Girly girl. Oh, that is so cute. Not that one. But the bowl cut kind of Lee looking thing. Oh, I kind of want to go for this though. Let's see. Oh, I like the square. Oh! Sorry. I'm sure everyone's doing the kitty mouth. Oh my god! I think the green is more like complementary to the skin tone. Blue is like very sharp. I got cherries! I got cherries! I got cherries! I got cherries! Yes! Yellow goes good with my skin tone. Yo, dude, I got a fade. So I guess I have to set up and flip. So you say re-rack at the end of every sentence, and she says boing at the end of the second sentence. Can I move the camera around? No. And I can't pick up anything, but I got cherries. Mini apples? Hey, hold on. Is this the pond? There's the pond. There's a tiny pond. I love it. So yeah, I wanted to like set up next to the tiny pond because I'm bougie like that. Exy. Let me imagine it. I think that's cute. With a cherry tree behind me? Yeah. Sure, why not? Everything will change later on. Looks nice, doesn't it? It doesn't look that bad. It looks great. Cute. Aww. I might move Flip somewhere else. Oh, there's a whole beach and everything. I'm not putting you on the beach. I'm putting you near the beach. Yeah, it looks pretty. Like, in this area with the cherry trees in the back. Yeah. This is a spot. Ten tree branches. Press Y to pick up. Uh-huh. Give me a stuff. I know there's a lot of people that keep asking me what is Animal Crossing, like the gamers that like play. I'm sure I have now. I got them. I'm playing like all them Call of Duties. I just wanted to say something stupid. I hate that even though you go to other islands, it's still the same fruit that you have. It should be like at least a second fruit somewhere in a distance on one section, and that's it. Oh crap, I forgot I had to name the damn thing. Why don't you name it? Majority rules, so take the time to think if everyone is ready to present their ideas. Oh no. Oh shit, Zina. No? Ooh. Can we find a fancy N? Oh, I got it. Xenon. This sounds like something from the Disney Channel. Welcome to Zenana. Banana. Sure, why not? I don't know. Rock solids is a. Hey, I like that one's better. The monkey's better. Oh my god, let's start there. Xena. Oh, I like the way you say it. I want to be the king of this Zenana. Zenana. Zenonos. Zenana. Zenana. You know, you have to say it like a posh. Zenana. I want to be king of Zenana and other communities. I will pillage and take over like Columbus, but without the torture and killings. Oh, I should have called it evil. Representative of evil. Oh, I missed my chance. Oh, he missed my chance. Evil. Evila. Something stupid. You always have to add an A at the end. Or O. Could you please say a word or two as the new spokesperson? First step of king for your neighbors. Oh, Lord, no. You can count on me. A word or two. Uh-huh. That monkey slaps. On beat too. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. He is on beat. Remind me of Bill Nye the Science Guy. The transition. Oh, I'm getting a fever dream? Oh. Decide to make your own way in the world. Get out there, explore new frontiers. That's all the way. Right. Daddy-o? Daddy-o? That's how you spell it. You don't need to live by anyone's rules but your own. The world was made for exploring, you know? Living free, being out there. It's a great feeling. Yeah, but take it from a cat who's been on the road. Dog. Being by your lonesome can grind on the soul. You've got to make friends along the way. Rambling this crazy world is Squaresville without some pals. Yeah, man. Friends are where it's at. Speaking of rambling, I'm doing a bit of that myself. My bad. Maybe it's about time for you to wake up in your new life. Oh, but listen up. That rap. You rapped? That was a rap? That rap I just gave you about friends. It's pretty key. You'd like this island for a whole lot more if you share it with some friends. If that's your scene. Well, it is rhyming. Like, yeah, an island paradise, but your best pal sounds pretty groovy to me. Cool. When you wake up, you'll be in sync in real time. Take that island life, and I'll catch you later. Ah, there you are. I hope you had a pleasant nap. Or, well, I suppose it was a bit more than a nap, wasn't it? It's a brand new day. Yay! I needed that. It's still daytime. Oh, yes, it's quite normal to be worn out from such a long trip and a major life event. Speaking of which, I have a few more things that you might find helpful as you adjust to your life in our little paradise. First, you'll need one of these, yes. Slap. Oh, you look excited. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. First, I want a net. Oh, because I'm afraid to shake these and the bees will pass by. Or are they called wasp? I heard the characters. Oh, look at that bird. It looks like a banana. Oh, can I catch birds? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I want to pick up. Yeah, that was like a banana. Can I get a freaking... Oops. Thank you. I'm sure you do. Feel free to take a look at some of the things I remember. So I'm like, I'll take a look. Right? What the frick? Ooh. I need these two. So $800? $800. What are you? Away? Oh, flowers. Okay. And medicine? Wait, I have to pay moving fees if I don't like the spot? I thought it was like temporary. Oops. No hidden fees. Okay. Wait, let me check it out. When you receive a set of DIY recipes, I think it'll be quite useful for an online. So shall I put you down for the next available session? I'd love to. Jesus Christ, you had to scream that at me. Look at my little bouncy feet. Look at my little bouncy feet. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. I can't stop looking at the bouncy feet. Oh my gosh. My heft plan fall through. Nook something. I was gonna say Obamacare. Nook Care. There you go. I can't afford Nook Care. Hold the thing. Alright, let's look for some freaking fish. The A button, of course. If I'm silent, I will catch it. Well, look at that little bitty yes. Wait. Oh. It's the foot of this. Sylvia. Isn't that sugar? Makes a ton early. I got my 10 up and running thanks to that pep talk. The brochure said we'll be living on an uninhabited island, so I was all ready to go solo. Boing. I could totally go for having rock stars like you around. Oh. It's the afro, isn't it? Add short comments. I want to add a short comment. No. Yeah. Ah, fucking hell. Password fail. Sticky stickies. Shells. I forgot about the shells. No. Pick up the frickin' shell. And don't fail this. People are counting on you. Would you? Wait, is that a shell? Oh. Can I not? Okay, there we go. Come on, you son of a bitch. Gimme. That's one. I mean, like, without a fail. If it's not directly in front of you, you don't want it. Yeah, that's it. Gimme. Give me the tiny little... Oh, you're cute. I caught a bitterling. It's mad at me, but only a little. That was two, right? Oh. 3, bitch. Yes. I got a crucian carp. My skills are sharp. You rhyme, bitch. So I could catch some flies, some butterflies, and I want to catch a bird. I'm going for that bird. I don't know if you can catch birds in this game, but I'm trying. Let's do it. I seen you. Oh, I can't turn the camera. There you are. Pick up stick. Catch you. Oh, thank you. I know there's people like being mean to. Can I sneak up? Oh, I can hold it. A. Turn around. The music, it stopped. Every now and then I get strawberry. Ah, no! I gotta pick up a stone somewhere. There you are. Oops. Can I pick up big stone? No, no big stone. Can't. I think this is the third one. Come on. Yeah. Acting like you're freaking hard to get. Give me. I think I have it already. Where you go? Wait, fish. Big fish. I am terrible at this. Go. Bring your ass here. Bring your... You know you want it. Come and get it. Gimme, gimme. No! I gotta start over. Wait, what the fuck? Sorry. I'm supposed to sell my other stuff. Really skip it. I'm gonna put you close because you... Damn it! You... I don't know if you could catch him. But I tried. I feel like Blather should be really close to the camp because it's your friend. So... Oh, hells yeah. Will that tree get rid of? Because it's like on an inch, a tiny inch of the tree over there. This is the spot. It got rid of the tree. I played only one Animal Crossing before this, and I don't remember eating things. I honestly don't remember eating things. We're just gonna keep going. What's the latest? I'll be able to just wing it and kind of sort of move here without a bell for my name. So now I'm trying to set up a routine, and well, bottom line, IE's broke. Weeding, picking up stuff and selling it to me. Oh, that might help your rack. Okay, so weeding does things. Give me the weeds. Give me the weeds. Give me the weeds. Okay, so let's get that bell. Oh, it's just a black cap. Okay, it looks so weird. Did that work? I did something. Give me my mouth. Look at the little raccoon. No. I place furniture. Sell unwanted stuff. Oh, I can't. Can you hit this? Bitch, you can't. What's that? What's that? No, no, no. Yeah. Ew. Not even more than that would be. Stop it. Is this flint? And you get 3 things out of a tree, I'm guessing. That's what happened so far. Yeah. Alright, 2, 3. Excuse me. Her face when she like misses, like, whoa, bitch. It's a big boy. Come here, big. Oh my god, almost! I almost lost it because I didn't know it was gonna go the first time. Yes. I got a black bass. The most mellow of all fish. I know you was going for it, but it's mine. Oh, how did you pass near it? Okay, so I had to be like here. Stop swimming upstream. Okay, in front of you then. Oh, come on. It's like right there. That has to be the one that's drifting down the stream. Oh, shit. I hesitated. I hesitated. Okay, now I can sell you the weeds. And then we'll see what's the sale, you know? We getting rid of the weeds. Confirm. How much do you give me for 19 weed? Oh, that's nothing. I want the bird. Give me the bird. I know you see me. I want the bird. Bitch, you can't see me. I will have you, and you'll be my best friend. Oh shit! Make haste! Make haste! Make haste! I need it. I need her. I need to make this thing shot. I should have just set the bench right there and just like make it. Would it be? Make it anyway. Bird's there. Not now, bird. Yeah. Oh, I was hoping to see the pebble like fall. Well, it's gone. I'm guessing soon as I get inside. That's when it... Get the birdie, get the banana bird, get the birdie, get the banana bird. I want the birdie, I want the banana bird. Don't turn around, stay over there. Oh no, he's turning around. If it hop over here, would it move? I want the birdie, I want the banana bird. I want the birdie, I want the banana bird. No! Alright, next time I'm running up to you. I guess it's the best I can do. No. Yeah. Okay. Even if it's my first picture. You don't disappear? Hello, it's me. Hmm? What are you? There's a nuke stop. So the tourist servers you can use two servers. First is shopping. So carry a shopping server for items that can be hard to find on island. Second, the tourist server calls ADB. Oh, the bank. Shopping. Floorlight telescope. Tula have sporty shill. Cheeto pants, river toe sneakers, KK Sosa. That's it? Do it change every day? Oh, one floor light is like freaking 2,200? Good lord. Patty. Done. Confirm. No. Heh. Give my frickin' bells for that. $300, yes? Yeah, yes. Oh, look at this tiny one. Oh my goodness. Hello. Wait. Yeah, you can see it. Oh, you're just... Does this count as fishing? I want to pick up these beads, but I'm afraid of talking to you. Alright, ooh, nice and clean here. I must keep this place nice and clean. I do like the bushes though. I came to sell some weed. Oh, that's a joke everyone's using, I'm sure. Since I'm going back to make the thing, might as well pick up the weeds around here, yes? It's so clean and nice on the other side, I might as well do this. My mini apples are coming along. I mean, it would have been nice to have peaches because peaches have that like contrast of like peach against green instead of red against the green. But everyone wants peaches. Everyone wants butt trees. I have the 2 balls trees. I have balls trees. I see the freaking fly. Or booby trees because it's like 2 red boobies. It looks like more balls, but I think boobies are more like pleasant. Alright, fine, I'll catch you. I'm selling you anyway. I didn't see a tarantula yet. And I know I'm gonna fail my first. Catching of a tarantula. Also, look at the purple against the like the pink and the yellow. Oh, I love that. I don't think you get that in the morning with dawn, but with dusk you get these beautiful like freaking skies. I wonder why is that? Like with the sun rising, you don't get the purpley skies, but the sun setting, you do. Or maybe you do get the purpley skies and I never noticed because I don't like getting up that early. You do get like a maybe pink kind of sky, but you don't really get the purple. I've been up in the morning once or twice in my life. Money! I'm dreading the day it's gonna be wasp. Nothing in there? I'm skewed. 3 shakes and you're good. I was thinking of talking to him. Is that the other one? Is that Timmy or Tommy? I feel like it's the same one. I think I got enough sticks. What's that? Wait! What was that? Can I shake the tree and get it again? I can. Oh, it's a cicada! Oh, no, a bagworm. What the hell's a bagworm? Yes! Yeah! I did it! I got my first present from the sky. Hells yeah! I'm putting that in the bank. Oh, let me make the thing. Hello! I am fine. I am warmish. Warmish, yes. I would like a snack, but I'm chill. I'm really chill. Yeah, you. Forgot I had to do this. Thank you. This is my normal everyday here. Hold on for now. Is everyone in your life, you know, playing Animal Crossing right now? Because even my brother was like, everyone I know is playing Animal Crossing. Everyone's just talking about Animal Crossing right now. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I want black. I could do a different color. What other colors are there? There's cyan. I don't know what kind of blue you're thinking of, but there's cyan, but I want black. Let's do black. Mm-hmm. Just give me one moment, There we go. I've updated your program membership details, Lay. Now when you see the Nook Miles app, you'll have access to all the Nook Mile benefits. So now I can use the Nook Miles for this. Custom Design Pro Editor. I know, I wanted to see information about it. Oh, details. Add professional design features to the custom... Okay, Applebee. Okay. Pretty good tools. Ooh. Tool ring? Hairstyles. Oh no. Give me money! Yeah. So yeah, here's the game. This is the game. Pick it up. Getting things so you can look cooler and have cooler items. And have a cooler house and have a cooler island. I seen a fish. You have anything else to say? You do that. You. I still had to do 10 in a row. Gimme, 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 gimme! You look bigger in the water. Wait, so why doesn't that count for the first one? Oh, is it a big fish? So catch 5 small fish. And this one's the big... Oh, crucian carp. And this one, catch fish. So catch 5 fish and I will get this. Bitch. Oh, this is... Oh, I have no room. I gotta start selling stuff. Iron nuggets. Oh, that's nice. And this is a chest you could put these things. Run, little run, run, run. Cute. It's the best time to, like, rain. Because everyone's home. No one should be outside. And you're less likely wanting to come outside because it's raining and cold. It was nice and warm yesterday. Or the day before that, one of them. I'm gonna drop some stuff off. I have too much things in my... Holy crap. Just pick and go, pick and go, pick and go. Is that a common? Sure. It looks huge back there. I'm waiting for my new house to come. That's the only thing I kind of want to put... Oh yeah, let's plant the flowers. Might as well. And buy more flowers and crossbreed them. Yeah? Yeah. Can you pick them back up? I'm afraid to. No, you can't. Oh, I'm guessing a shovel will do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna buy... It's red, right? I want purple. So I'm gonna buy blue. Or cyan. Hopefully cyan, but not much people know the difference. It was basically me getting up, brush my teeth, clean the place, eat, and then play Animal Crossing. So it was a great day. It was a really great day. Like, there's some people that don't have internet right now, I'm sure. I'm just thankful I could just come here and play, you know, a game for fun while other people watch. Think of snacks. I don't know what kind of snacks I'm gonna get though. But I always feel for hot noodles after a stream. Every single time. Were you going for it? And that's what I kind of want to get after this. Oh, you want it. You want it. You know you want it. Yes. Oh. That counts as a fish. You know you want it. Oh, you know. Yeah. I think that's 5 in a row. I caught a crucian. Yes. I could claim both of them. No, 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 no. Why does it times 2? Does it give me times 2? Spend bells to buy items. Okay. Earn bells by selling items. I'm definitely getting there. Capture a memory. I will. Sell clumps of weeds. Oh, I'm definitely going to be there. Complete DIY projects. Hells yeah. So let's take a memory after I plant some stuff. Let's make it mean something because why not? Gonna do it anyway. So, watering can. Got it. How do you know if you're watering it? Wait. Is this sparkling? Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, you can see the water droplets. I think I missed it there. Aim. There we go. Just gotta aim it right. Those are sparkling. That one was sparkling. That's sparkling. Are you sparkling? You better sparkle. Yeah. Who else is? You're sparkled and you're not sparkling. You must sparkle. Okay, it's going down the stream. It will be there. I think I have 5 in a row so far. Make you 6. I know you see it. Oh! Yes! That always scares me when they automatically do it now. Getting the hungry burps and the talky burps. The burps of burps. I haven't crushed a bunch of rocks in a while. I need to start doing that. Shaking the tree. Shaking the tree again. And again. Okay. Oh! It's there! Okay. Okay. I'm scared. Alright. I know these things are dangerous. I'm a-coming. I don't like that it's behind trees because I can't see behind trees. Oh no. I don't like this. I want to see its talons. So I'm going from the side. Oh fucking hell. Shit. Okay. Alright. I need to see it. Where is it? Okay, it's over there. Don't go out of view. Oh God, no. I can't see shit. Where is it? Where? Okay. See, I would have ran up there. Oh God, look. I'm going this way. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I can't see it. Okay. Let's go around the tree. To the lake. Dude, would you please? Oh God! Ding 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 ding. I don't know if I'm in position to catch it yet. I need to pee so badly. I'm stress pee. Oh. I need intense music. Din 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 din. Lord. I don't want to mess up. I know you cost a lot of money. Let's go on the side. Go to the right. Yeah, bitch. No, not circles. Not circles. Can I see from the top? Tarantulas don't belong on the beach. My finger is numb. I know it had to come this way soon. My neck hurts now. It's my first time. Give me a rest. Where would it go now? You're in the sea? Dude. Okay. It's cool, man. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool, man. We're cool here. We're brothers. Sisters. I can't hear it. I can't see it. Come out. I know you can't go in the sea. Alright, bitch. All this time and I'm gonna get bit anyway. You know what? Spiders can swim? Well, now I know. Catch it! No, 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 no! The tree was in the way. The tree was in the way. I'll get medicine. But now I'm taking a chance of shaking trees because if I get stung, you'll get stung. Let's have to go and find some shells. Two. Oh god, I want combo so bad. Oh, that sounds good. Oh no! Oh no! No, no! 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 I wanted to catch them! I wanted to catch them! I'm just annoyed that I caught like twice with that. I still want those combos though. Are you living with 27 people? Because it's quarantine? That sucks. Oh, or you went to pick... You don't see that? Or you went to the store and like all the snacks are gone except for combos. Gotcha. Ah. One. God damn it, I'm starting over again. Yes. I caught a hermit crab. Swap it! I'm sure it costs a lot of money. We're gonna put the sand dollar. Oh, still lines? And they don't do the 15 feet from each other thing because there's a lot of places doing that. Why did I do that? No, let it go. It's always here. I don't think they're taking it too seriously if they're not doing the stand 5 feet away from the other person thing. Oh, I should take that medicine. Yeah, you look pretty again. I gotta dress some stuff off. I've seen weeds. I pick up weeds. I'm gonna put the cardboard box over here. And can I put the knife rack on top of that? No, I want to place it on top B. Okay, can I place something else on top of it? I didn't sell my weeds. Oh no, I just got them. Place item. I have no room in my room. Drop item. Okay. But the schools are closed. The schools are closed for a reason. Yeah. Oh god. I didn't reach it yet. No, I will go after the fish. It's not that bad yet. Says someone who had kidney disease in her life. I shouldn't be doing this. But I'm so close. I'm so close. No! 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 I had it. It's time for me to go. There's no way I can make 10 now. And hold my pee and hold my hunger. I was so... I was close. That was... Hold on. I was close. I was close. Where's my... Oh, I'm still fishing. That's why. Where is it? Wait. Oh, I got it already. But you didn't warn me. I had 16 in a row? I did it. It's... Ah, I reached your 4 hours and I did the cast master. Good. Look at this, 50 in a row. Are you crazy? Alright, yeah. It's time for me to stop streaming. I kind of don't want to go. That's weird. Maybe because this game is addicting. Wait, hold up. What? Do I still have more? Oh, I do. Go down. Wow. Do I have any more? No. Okay. Alright, cool. Hey, how do I save this game? Does it save automatically? Yeah. Save and end. Oh boy. Yay! Thanks for staying and talking. Hopefully you're here hopefully I'm here tomorrow and doing it. There's always something that happens. Maybe I will like eat as much as I can and then like fall into a deep sleep as I do. I think I'm Snorlax, am I? Anyway. Good night. Yeah, it is night. You see. Good night. Goodbye. Have a good home staying, I think it's called. Anyway, bye.